Hey, thanks so much for registering. You registered because you want to discover how to make money on YouTube without recording videos. And that's exactly what this webinar is going to show you how to do. So a few things to make sure you get the absolute most from this free training. One, make sure you attend on a desktop rather than a mobile device. Mobile devices will work, but desktops work much, much better. So make sure you attend on a desktop. Number two, make sure you close all other tabs and eliminate all distractions. I'm going to be going over some really important things on this webinar, so make sure you eliminate all distractions to make sure you get the absolute most from this free training. And three, make sure you show up early to guarantee that you get a spot. So here's what we're going to be covering on the live webinar. Why the old way of approaching YouTube doesn't work and how to succeed using the new way. Why you don't need to record any videos or appear on camera to make tons of money with YouTube. And the truth on how to blow up on YouTube and secrets of going viral on YouTube. I'm going to be sharing with you some really incredible things that I've never seen taught online before. So I'm really excited to be sharing them with you on this webinar. And if you stay until the end, I'm going to be giving you something really amazing, so you're not going to want to miss that. So make sure you attend and stay until the end. So the webinar platform I'm holding can only hold so many people, so make sure to show up early so you can guarantee a spot to this webinar. That's going to show you the exact methods that I use to take a channel from 0 to 500,000 subscribers in a single year. And it's how I run 9 different YouTube channels and make $30,000 a month, and more importantly, how you can too. So super excited to see you on the live training. Thanks so much for registering. You made a great choice, and I'll see you on the webinar.